Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today's super short video, I'm just gonna show you how to make your own DIY natural deodorant spray. Usually in general, I don't use any deodorant sprays or anything like this since I left my job like 3 years ago. But the thing is now when it's getting very super hot, then the temperatures outside, reaches over 30 degrees Celsius, and I'm finding myself in some situations that I do need one, so I was looking online, and like how to make it the more natural as possible, and I was looking, for a spray one because I don't like, these oily, buttery kind of deodorants at all. So, and yeah, I found this recipe. Actually, it was some different recipe. I just adjusted a little bit. I think I changed, I add some aloe vera juice, and I changed some of the essential oils. So, we're gonna make, I have in here a little glass container, a spray one. So it's gonna be only 10 mils because it's nice, it's small, it's tiny, it fits in my hand, fits in a car or anywhere else, in a little purse and stuff like this. And I don't want to make a huge amount because, as I said, I don't really use it every day or all the time. So to this we're gonna need, as usual, the whole formula and recipe you will find in the description box below. So what we're gonna need to this, of course, I have in here distilled water. In here already weighted out distilled water, so 50% of the formula I have distilled water. So I'm just gonna transfer in this little container. Then I have, which one now? Doesn't matter. Which one? Yeah, this is witch hazel. I have witch hazel. My witch hazel, what I have here, it contains about between 12 and 15% alcohol. I don't mind that because I like to use this witch hazel to make my own face toner, and I need that for my oily skin. So if you don't want to use witch hazel with alcohol, get your own alcohol-free witch hazel. So just gonna add this witch hazel in here, and I have in here aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice, it's really calming, hydrates the skin, as we know. And now to this I'm gonna add 0.5% of the lavender essential oil, 0.5% of tea tree essential oil, which just has all the antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties, and 0.5% of the whole formula I'm gonna add a Cosgard preservative because there is water in it as well as oils. So we need to add preservative. If you don't want to use it, 0.5, yeah. If you don't want to use it, if you don't want to make it, like every 2 days or so. And now, because this formula, yeah, and I'm just gonna add the preservative, clearing out the scales, because it's water and oils there. And if you want to use a stabilizer, as I'm not gonna use it now, stabilizer in here, because I'm doing such a small tiny amount and I know what it is in here, and so oils always stays on the top of the water, as we know that. So before you spray on your armpits, make sure that you shake it very well, okay? So if you bit not really careful about it, so do use stabilizer. How to use stabilizer, I think I did a few videos already about it. So yeah, and that's your little natural spray done. I did this before and I tried it myself. It did work on me because, as I said, I do not sweat that much, and yeah, check it out, let me know what you think, and that's your natural deodorant spray. Yes, lovely smell. Lavender essential oil and tea tree essential oil. I use lavender essential oil just to kind of kill a bit of this strong, tea tree essential oil scent, and these two works perfectly. So yeah, and I see you next week. Bye.